In this video, we are going to cover Advantage Plus shopping campaigns in Facebook. If you don't know what is Advantage Plus shopping campaigns are, it means Facebook will be using your past customers, your add to cards, your prospecting data, all the past data from start to the end of the customer journey, all will be used by Facebook algorithm to run both prospecting and retargeting campaigns within the single campaign. Facebook going to choose your best ad creatives and proven creatives and use them in the combination of prospecting and retargeting and give you the best possible results. So I got this client who is doing 1.2x ROS and when I start handling that ad account, when I launched the Advantage Plus campaign, it went from 1.2x ROAS to 3x ROAS within few days and doing it so consistently. It's been more than 60 days that I'm running that Advantage Plus campaign and it is constantly performing and giving the consistent results. So anybody who is small business or large business or spending $10,000 per month or $100,000 per month, it doesn't matter. After this video, you will be able to know how to create those ads and when to use them and what creatives to use. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 45 million in revenue for my clients. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want me to help you out with your Facebook ads, you can reach out to me using the link in description. Advantage Plus campaigns are not meant to be used for testing creatives or testing your different theory, right? All the stuff you have in mind, you cannot use it. Advantage Plus campaigns will be used based on the previous data that you have in the ad account. An Advantage Plus campaign, you will have no option to use any targeting, like no interest, no custom audiences, no lookalike audiences. It just plain and simple. Only thing you can change is country. Whole point of Advantage Plus campaign is to go broad. And for the last 2 years, I am using the broad campaign. But in the technical terms, Facebook has introduced a specific campaign that is called Advantage Plus shopping campaign, where they don't allow you to choose any kind of interest, custom audiences, and all the other things that restrict the Facebook algorithm to perform at its best. So here also, you are relying completely on Facebook algorithm to make the best judgment for your ads. Here you can choose certain amount of budget to be used for retargeting ads. Like you can use 10% to 20% of budget on retargeting and Facebook will do the rest. If you have multiple products, like if you have some kind of subscription based products or you have multiple SKUs, you have multiple best sellers, right? Then it will make more sense to run retargeting ads within the Advantage Plus shopping. You can test out 10% or 20%, right? Where 10% or 20% of the budget will be used for retargeting, right? And the rest of the budget will be used for cold prospecting campaigns. All the previous years we have been asked to control the Facebook with multiple interest, lookalikes, and custom audiences. Is it a good thing to give Facebook a control? It is the best thing you can do right now. If you remove all the restrictions like lookalike, interest, age, it will result in lower CPMs, less cost of link click, and better campaign results all over and consistent results. Okay, now we know they are the best thing that we can use right now, but how do we structure them? Facebook generally want you to create a very minimum ad sets within a campaign. Here also, Facebook wants you to run single ad set. Generally, Facebook have three levels: campaign, ad set, and ad level. Here you have only campaign level and ad level, nothing between them, only two levels. I've seen in some ad accounts, Facebook is allowing you to create multiple ad sets within Advantage Plus, but it only opens to a certain amount of money you have spent in monthly. Generally, Facebook doesn't allow it, but if you are getting the option, then it's a good thing. Where you can introduce ABO also, ad set budget optimization. Facebook is launching them in certain ad accounts. So if you have that option, that is also good, where you can individually create multiple ad sets within. But most of the advertisers have only two level in the Advantage Plus campaign, right? So now let's talk about creatives. Generally, when you launch an Advantage Plus campaign, Facebook will suggest you ads on the basis of your account history. As I've told you, this campaign is not for testing. So if you want to amplify things that are working for you right now, Advantage Plus campaign is the way. Here you need to put on 5 ads or 4 ads suggested by Facebook, or if they are not suggesting you by any kind of technical glitch, you need to see the data of last 7 or 14 days. Whatever the creatives and ads that are giving you the best result according to you, put those ads in the Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Now let's jump into my screen and I'll show you how to do it. Now you are in my test ad account, and you won't see any kind of results over here because it's just a test account for a client. I'm just showing you a basic way how to create that thing. Go to the sales campaign, hit the continue. Generally we opt for manual sales campaign, but here we are going to use Advantage Plus shopping. As you can see, there are only 2 levels where you will make any changes. Choose the correct performance goal, choose the correct pixel, right? Included locations. That's it. Here I'm just choosing $100. Sorry, $100. I don't have the option to click over here. So you need to upload your existing customer list in account settings, and from there you just upload your customer list and purchase 180-day custom audience in that option. There from there you will get the this option turned on, and you can click over here and enter the percentage of amount you want to spend on retargeting. 10%, 20%, 25%. If you have like multiple audience, you can go for 20%. If you less, you can go for 10%. It's all optional to you, whatever the thing you need, right? And here you will get your current ads. Generally Facebook will suggest you the ad creative that is producing you maximum amount of results in times of volume, and here you have to select the ads and add those 5 ad creatives just like this. Make sure to add URL parameters in all the ads, so you get to know which result you are getting from which ads. So you don't need to worry about ad creatives over here. It's all being used by the past data that is Facebook is using. And trust me guys, if you are not using Advantage Plus campaign right now, you are missing a lot of, right? If you try to test ad creatives in this Advantage Plus campaign, you are just losing your money, right? You are just bleeding out your bank account. Create this Advantage Plus campaign. It's really simple. Whole thing that Facebook want is to create the simplest and easiest way to run ads for you guys.